Hello friends, it's second part, so let's start. Today we'll move ahead and do some more office work and build a sheet for reporting. So let's start. So these are four profiles which are active. So we will do our work on these profiles and these four accounts we will keep separate. Just let me show you. So here is the description that we are going to post. The word will start submissions today. So for the submissions we need username, password, and in this case now I'm already logged in, so I need description, link of the website which I already have. It's my own website, and keyword. One keyword is Timmy Iron and one other is fresh content. Suppose it's my blog posting for SEO purpose. We need to keep one thing in mind, that if I'm using any keyword that should present in the description. So blog posting is not in description, so I'm removing it for now, otherwise I have to change the description too. So let's start. So my first website I have chosen is mix.com. So okay, so it's asking for the link of website. It is my website link. Click on mix. Okay, so what it has automatically catch the title and description of my website, which is not bad. It's fine. Now let's done, and here our link has appeared. Okay, fine. It's cool. So I have posted to mix.com. Now I'm going to my sheet, control plus. All right. I will remove this column later on, but for now I needed it to keep the record. So first website is mix.com, and Second is Pinterest.com, which is already logged in. So if I want to post the content, I have to click on the plus sign. Here it is. Now again on plus sign, and what I'm going to do here is creating a bot, because I have created a profile of my own name. So I will create a board name. It's Steamy Iron Blog. That's all. Create, and I have got a link of this board. Now done. Now I'm going to create a pin. I will enter the link of my website. Control V. So that's it. uh, I'm I need to enter an image here and make sure the image is related to the theme of the blog. So I'm going to use this image, add to pin, and it's about my blog. All the images I have used in my blog is genuine, and no one have any problem with that. Means that is not copyrighted content. That's also one thing that we need to take care about before posting any content online. So now add your title, press content online, read and share. That's all. Save. Okay, I need to remove the links from description because I have already given. I don't need any extra link. It's all right. See it now, and it is perfect. All right. Now it's plurk.com, and plurk.com does not require to enter title and other thing. I can simply copy the description and post it here, but make sure that description is unique and original. I can also add images here. In this case, I am going to plurk it right now. All right, I need to confirm the email. So what I am going to do is jumping to folk.com. Okay, I need to fill the captcha. Okay, fine. My link has been saved here. uh, uh, Plurk.com had the problem, and I have successfully submitted to forked.com. So what I need to do now is to confirm the account, because I am only doing to the four accounts, so I need to confirm it. Give me 2 minutes. So I have confirmed my Gmail account, and it should be posted now. Yes, it's here. Okay, fine. It's done. Okay, fine. So I have finished one activity, and the next activity that I am going to do for Steamy Iron in off base is forum posting, and I prefer the forums.digitalpoint.com. I already have the account here. So what the work of forum posting is to provide a signature link for you. Signature link, it's a backlink to your website, and it can provide us lots of traffic. That's why we do forum posting. So now let's see how we can get traffic from forum posting. So registration is normal, and like we can say AdSense. Many people have posted many questions over here. Now what I have to do is to answer the questions, and my answer needs to be genuine, and I should only answer the questions about whom I have knowledge and I have worked on that niche. So as I have AdSense approved for my blog, so I can answer this question. So here the user has provided a link, and it's a link to his website. When I click the link, I will reach this website. So that's the benefit of uh, this forum posting activity. So what I will do now, I will answer it. But when I'm going to answer it, I need to see that it's a genuine website or not. Okay, so I can also check any answers because experts normally comment here. And if I see that there is something I can add meaning to this post and it can help the user, I will post it. Like I have seen the website. So it's my answer. Now what I will do, I will post the reply. That's all. Now to add links to the forum posting sites, they have certain rules, guidelines, and a benchmark. Like I don't have any signature now, but I can get one. I need to have at least liked by the six people. I must be an established member. So here we can see. Okay. So three established members should liked my post. And at least I am at 48 hours old in the website. These are the only two requirements, and currently I have only one like. So I need to get like. I can get like by helping the people. Now I will see some other post where I can post content. Okay, here I can find the partners for link exchange. I can post the content, I can reply the content. So these are the work of the forum posting sites. So that's all about forum posting. Now let's move ahead. Someone asked me in my previous video about the interview questions that are being normally asked. So according to my experience, the interviews I have taken, I try to first thing I try to means see the attitude of the person. For uh, any experience, any salary level, what I see is the person adaptive according to the situations or not, because there might be various situations in the company. Clients are the pillar of the projects. If client is unhappy or for some reason project is not doing well, client is not happy, there are many stances. So how the person will behave? If the person is fresher, then is he or she adaptive according to the things, they can take the pressures or not? If that point is okay, then I move to next level, like for technical round, knowledge of the person in digital marketing, interests, etc. But the most important thing that we all need to take care is our attitude. If we are adaptive according to the things, because there might be many different situations, and it's according to the demand of the job, and we all need to adapt ourselves according to that. So that is the most important thing. Second things second things are, there are many things after that, but the first thing is your attitude, your nature, your interest, etc. If you are fresher, then only your attitude will be seen. They might ask you questions about HTML or the things that you have uh, read in your previous whatever qualification you have, but your attitude is the most important. You can search Google, you can find lots of questions, interview questions. They are not wrong. Let me tell you, they are not wrong. And at somehow they are telling the truth. The It also depends upon the interviewer, but the interviews, number of interviews I have taken, I have seen the attitude factor first. If that is okay, if person is not fully, if person does not have full knowledge of the domain, then I can hire him or her if the nature is good, if the attitude is problem solving, like these things matter. So let's move ahead now. So it's my blog, and I have added 70 to 80 articles over here. It's in WordPress. Now we will see what we can add to the blog to make it more user friendly, and that's exactly the work we will do for any project. So first I need to log into the blog. I can log in by Facebook and Google also, and I have discussed in my previous video about how to add social login to any website. So it's my website. So this is all, guys. I have updated the social networking profiles, and I have saved all the details in a single website. Now I am going to save it by pressing Ctrl plus S. And in next video, because next video might be longer, and today I'm wrapping up this video here. In next video we will talk about the WordPress website, how to optimize WordPress website, which plugins we needed to use for our website for the better performance, and all the things for SEO point of view which is necessary, we are going to discuss in our third video of this series. So thank you, stay tuned.